Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the properties of RBCs. First is the introduction of the RBCs. Red blood cells are the non-nucleated form elements in the blood, means they have no nucleus in their structure. Red blood cells are also known as the erythrocytes, that is erythros mean red, and the red color of the red blood cells is due to the presence of coloring pigment, means they have the coloring pigment due to which their color will be the red, and also this coloring pigment is known as the hemoglobin. RBC play a vital role in the transport of the respiratory gases. Also RBCs are the larger in number compared to the other two blood cells, namely white blood cells and the platelet, means they have the large number and also their the coloring pigment due to which their color is the red. And normal value are the RBCs is the 4 and 5.5 million microtube of the blood. In the adult males, it is the 5 million and in the adult female that is the 4.5 million. Morphology of the red blood cells, and next we discuss about the morphology. Always in the morphology there we discuss about the normal size, their normal shape and their normal structure. So in case of the RBC, their normal shape are the disc shape, and the biconcave central portion is thinner, means their central portions is the thinner, and the periphery is thicker, means their sides are the thicker. And the biconcave, the counter of RBC has the same some mechanical and the functional advantages. So we discuss about the what are the advantages of the biconcave shape of the RBC. So their first advantages is the shape help in equal and rapid diffusion of oxygen and other substances into the interior of the cell. And large surface or area is provided for the absorption or removal of the different substances. Their minimal tension is offered on the membrane when the volume of cells alter, means their membrane tension are the very minimal because of the biconcave shape. While passing through the minute capillary, RBC squeeze and through the capillaries very easily without getting damaged. Normal size are the 7.2 micrometer. Thickness are the at the periphery it is thicker with the 2.2 micro, and the center it is thinner with the 1 micron. The difference in the thickness is because of the biconcave shape. And surface area is the 120 square micron. Volume is the 85 to 90 cube micron. Next is the normal structure. In next topic is the normal structure. What is the normal structure for the RBC? So the RBC are the red blood cells and non-nucleated. Only the mammals which has a nucleated RBC is the camel. Means in case of the RBC, there have no nucleus. In case only in the case of the camel. So in today class, we discuss about the normal shape, normal size, normal structure, and normal value for the RBCs, and also about the properties of the RBCs. Thank you for watching.